Birdie is a friendly indoor health climate device. This thing will tell you if your CO2 levels are too high, and then the bird kind of moves around this little clock device here. You mount it on the wall. I'm using these pieces here, and then this birdie will move around as needed. This is what it looks like. Danish design. It's a CO2 sensing technology. Prevent asthma, COVID, allergy, headaches, improve focus, productivity, improve sleep, prevent mold and stale air. We are in an office where the CO2 levels are pretty high, and I want something fun that would make it exciting for everyone to open the windows when it gets really stale. So inside we got the wall mount unit right here. We've got 3M to kind of stick it onto the wall. If you want to drill it, you have those options as well. It comes with a USB-A to USB-C cable. This doesn't feel like it's very long, but it is a pretty high quality cable. You will plug it in the USB port right here. It will mount on the wall like so, with the cable coming out of the bottom, and then when the CO2 levels are good or bad, this birdie will move up and down. Very interesting product. How it works: has 3 simple positions to help with indoor climate. When you plug it in, go ahead and set it up. This is it. I'm excited to test it out. It makes air quality fun. We'll have a link in the description. Click that link. Subscribe if you want to see future videos. And Birdie, if you want to work together, let me know.